Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a newly implemented guild on Discord. So guild is a new experimental feature that Discord have just made and the guilds are not available publicly yet. They will be available on the select small amounts of servers. So depending on what country you're from, depending on the kind of server you have, I'm thinking that most likely the guilds will be available on the servers that have at least some members on them. So if you have like 5 or 10 people on your server, then probably for your accounts, guilds will not be available because it's a very experimental feature. It's very recent as well. It's like 2 weeks old or something. The release date, I believe, of guilds feature is September 30th or something like that. Let's begin. So first of all, just basically choose the server you want to create the guild for. So basically the way this works, you choose the server that you already have or you create a new one. You just you can just press on the plus icon and just create a server, create your own. And basically if you already have one, you go to your server, basically you go to settings, for example, go here. Now go to server settings. Also don't forget that you have to be a moderator or an owner of your server in order to be able to convert your usual server into the guild. Okay, now in the settings, as you can see, we are now taken to our channel settings. So in here, as you can see, we have guild settings on the bottom left. So go there and we will start customizing and creating our guild from there. Right, so as you can see, our guild is going to be used for playing games. So we are asked what games does your guild play, so you can choose any game you want. And also as you can see in the settings, we have different settings as well. If you want to customize those, go ahead. Also you have a choice to set if your guild is casual, competitive or very competitive. So basically depending on how serious you guys are, if you're for example some speedrunners or some hardcore Souls games players or something, you can set to very competitive. If you're casual, you're playing Minecraft. Some casual games for the kids, for example, you can set very casual or casual if you want. Right, also you might want to select your traits. So the traits, as you can see, will help the right people find and apply for your guild. So as you can see, minimum age preferred. Traits, in the traits we have beginner friendly, pugs, diverse and inclusive, parent friendly, etc. So you can customize your guild to your liking. Now let's move along. And now in the next section, which is topics, this one is going to be responsible for choosing what kind of topics you'll talk about in your guild. So as you can see, we have some tags in here like anime, movie, board games, pets, recipes, whatsoever. You can choose what you want to talk about in your newly created guild, so go ahead and customize this tab as well. We have also the description, tell potential recruits what your guild is all about. So this is going to be your very good way to attract more people into your server and into your guild, so be sure to customize it properly. Alright, now as you can see we have the next tab, which is the guild badge. So in here you will be able to create a badge and tag for your guild. So as you can see we have different icons that you can choose. We have also the guild tag, which is the maximum of 4 characters, so be sure to choose some really cool tag as you only have 4 letters or symbols to work with. And now lastly we have guild profile, which is the customization of the guild's look. So we have the badges here, we have banners, and this is basically the page where you can actually see what your guild will look like publicly. As you can see on the right we have our customization. And of course, go ahead and customize this to your liking as much as you want. And after that, you can just basically press on save and exit and your newly created guild will be created. Alright, so the other tab we have, the last one is join application. So this will basically be if you want to set a requirement. For example, you want to ask questions, why they join, who they are, whatever. Any questions you want to ask, you will be able to do it here. So you set up a question, as you can see, you tap on the plus and you ask the question and they answer. And then after you basically browse the applications that other people are sending to you, you can of course decide for yourself if you want to accept that person into your guild or not. So very cool thing to have as well. Yeah, once again, after you're done, just save and exit, and that's everything guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully this helps. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.